Hey guys, Gretchen here with your Kundalini Level 2 Lesson 1. There's going to be this lesson, then there's going to be a Dantian or Granthi, depending on what word you use, meditation video following this, and then your attunement. After this video, do your yam and then do the meditation and then the attunement. The yam is really important to get that heart chakra blown out, get it cleansed so that things rise up correctly, as is doing these videos in order. Kundalini rising is an amazing thing when done correctly. We can keep that nice high vibe going throughout the entire day. All right, so this video is on karmic clearing, cleansing those karmic bonds. We have karmic bonds with everybody we hold near and dear to us, everybody we've ever loved, everybody we've ever been really attached to, anybody we've been close to. You have karmic bonds with your immediate family. You have karmic bonds definitely with, if you've given birth or if you're a father, if you have children, you definitely have karmic bonds with your offspring. You have karmic bonds with people who may no longer be in your physical life, in your real life. You just have them on Facebook. You have karmic bonds with people on Facebook that you've never met because they're involved in your life, right? So that universal life energy does that Honsho Seishonen on us, shoots that karmic bond over there. So we're walking around with a lot of people's baggage, aren't we? Because we have these energetic ties, and so we keep these energetic ties, we keep some of their energy, and some of that energy is always coming to us. And if we don't know about it, we can't protect ourselves from that energy, so it's coming to us. And some of these people could be psychic vampires sucking that energy from us. So it could be coming to us good, or it could be coming to us badly, and we just don't know. So we're just like, okay, we have this little drain. Let's heal those karmic ties. In healing those karmic ties, you will also quite possibly heal your relationships or improve your relationships. Like if you already have a really great relationship, can you imagine if that got better? Oh my goodness. All right. You can also heal situations, attitudes. You can heal feelings. You can do that when you're healing your karmic bonds. What I invite you to do is to make sure you're in a nice, comfy place. You have the lights down low, warm, light your incense, your mugwort, get your room set up like you're going to have an attunement with me. Get in your good headspace. At that point, I want you to really concentrate on that heart chakra. Send your color, green or pink, whatever color it is that you do. Do your meditation, get it blown out. Do some yam chants if you really need that extra oomph of getting it blown out. After you feel, and only do this healing when it feels right to you. If you're having a funky day, do it later. So if you feel really good, you're going to concentrate on that energy. You're going to keep concentrating on that energy in that heart chakra. You're going to send most of it out, but you're going to keep some of it circling around in that heart chakra, okay? So you're going to send most of it out. And as you're healing these karmic bonds, and it's going to take about 3 to 5 minutes per each bond, so it's going to take a couple of days most likely. I want you to think about the person, think about what needs to be healed, or think about the mood or the situation. Like if you get jealous a lot, like heal my jealousy. Or if you are bound to someone, like if your sister gets jealous a lot, heal my sister's jealousy. So you would sit there and you would concentrate on that, send that beautiful Reiki love and that beautiful heart light to that, dissolving it or strengthening it, because some of these you're just meant to release those karmic bonds and release those burdens that are not yours. Guys, you are not meant to carry that mountain around. You're meant to climb it and then go down it. Don't be dragging that thing around with you. Let's do that work and get rid of some of these karmic bonds that we're not meant to have anymore in our life. The other thing is, it may not heal anything because sometimes the universe just likes things as they are. So this is where, I mean, when I say it should feel right, because you'll know, like if you know when your Reiki energy is really going, you can feel that happy love light flowing through your entire being, through your blood, through your arms, through your hair, through everything. You can feel it emanating from you. You know when it feels right. You know when the universe is saying no. Release your ego, release your control, let it go, and move on to the next bond. All right, so after you've healed all of your karmic bonds and you've done your yam chanting, do your yam chanting if you need to blow out the heart chakra before doing your karmic bonds. But then I want you to do your 10 times yam chanting. And then we're going to move on to the Dantian / Granthi video. And then we'll get to the attunements. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do and you'd like to see more, I do a lot of Reiki videos. I do also do some trauma recovery videos, herbalism, systems recovery videos. I work with a lot of brain inflammatory diseases, cancer, and addiction, and alcohol recovery. So keep that in mind. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me. And until next time.